Yo, what's going on, you guys? Another day in Chicago. As you guys can probably tell, I just woke up. It is Sunday today. Today's our last full day here, bro. I don't want to go back to my regular life, bro. This motivated me to push myself harder to get out of the position that I'm in right now, bro, because I'm not saying I'm in a bad position right now, but you know, I want to be somewhere else in life. But I think that's just everyone, right? But today on the agenda, we're gonna go look at some dogs. I don't know if we can adopt one, bro, because I was looking at like the whole process, bro. And yo, tell me why no one told me that there's a whole process to get a dog, bro. It's like, first you gotta fill out an application, bro, and then it takes like 24 to 48 hours. And then after that, you gotta set up an appointment to go see them, and then they gotta take them to your house, and you gotta take them back, and then they gotta like finalize the paperwork or something. I don't know, it's so much, bro. And like low-key, I thought it was just go to the store, see a dog, sign some papers and leave a little, bro. I really thought that was it. I didn't know it was that deep. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna take a shower real quick. It is time for my brakes to come off, bro, so we're gonna do that really quickly. Oh, and then also today we're gonna be going to the Willis Tower and to that little leaning tower, and then we're also gonna go on the boat. But we're doing all that at night since we haven't explored the city at night. But yeah, let's do a shower real quick, take my hair out with these braids. You know, let's do that real quick. We just got out the shower, bro. My hair is crazy right now. I don't know how to put it up or anything, so I'm gonna just rock it down like this. Right now, I'm gonna go get food. Carol's still sleeping, so it's just gonna be us. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I'm just gonna walk around the neighborhood, see what's up. Maybe hop on a bike, hop on a scooter. I don't know, I'll see. But I also wanna go to my car to get my gloves for me and for Carol. Oh, we're gonna go do that. So I'm literally just walking around, right, trying to find a place to eat. I decided to go with some pizza, so I'm trying to find like a deep dish pizza place around here. There's a couple like pizza places around here, but I don't know if they're good or not. I got that one right there. Then there's like one back there. I was walking around for a good minute. It's right over there.
A few moments later.
I just got the food, bro. It was like a 30-minute wait or something, bro. It wasn't too bad. About to go back to the hotel, about to eat. Okay, so we made it back to the house. My hair is literally a mess, bro. This is why I hate having my hair down. But we made it back to the house, got the pizza. We haven't opened it yet or anything, but I was holding it like this, bro, and it was kind of dripping. And as you can kind of see, all the grease inside some went to the side. So hopefully it didn't like mess up the pizza. I haven't opened it or anything yet, so let's see. Ready? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, bro.
Is that plastic?
Yeah, that is plastic.
Oh, I'm like, why does it look like that?
Se movió todo porque I had it like...
Yeah, all the pepperoni moved.
Yeah, all the pepperoni moves to the side. Oh my gosh, wow. This looks interesting, bro. Here, let's should we warm it up or I see?
I'm like that, see.
I'm gonna try one of these ones.
Yeah, I don't want that much.
Yeah.
Maybe that one. I'll just pour some pepperoni.
Ooh, that pull is crazy. Ooh, this pull is crazy, bro. Oh my gosh, this pull is insane, bro. Cheers.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Good.
We just so much marinara sauce at that out.
Mine had no marinara.
It was just cheese.
Deep dish style pizza. To be honest, I still think Toto's is better, so I give this a solid 7 out of 10. You?
What's better?
Toto's pizza.
Oh,
You've never had that? What do you think?
I'm 7.
7. It's kind of mid. But we're gonna eat our pizza and then we're gonna go about our day. So a ver qué hacemos. We're looking at prices. It's $90.
45 each, no?
Yeah, 45. So 45 each. And then for the boat, it's 25. So that's like 50. Y luego parking.
140 plus parking. 200.
2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1, that's 3. Quick maths.
Yeah, literally. Ooh. A lot of money, bro. A lot of money. We still have to pay the tolls también, bro.
Forgot about that.
Yeah, same. We're gonna leave around like 3 or something, 3:30 to go see the dogs. I already have some dog shelters in mind that we can go to.
Are they close?
Mm-hmm. They're all like downtown.
Oh, so I say like 3:30 we should leave. So because we're not gonna take the.
Yeah, 3:30. Yeah, 3:30. Alright,
Like, if you're gonna lie to me, miénteme bien. Like.
we're leaving now. It is like 3:30, 3:34. 3:34, 3:40 to be exact. We're in the car.
We're in the car finally. We were gonna go to the dog adoption center so we could look at dogs, but we have to arrive 30 minutes before. So I mean it's 4, pero no que llegamos and like find parking. And if we go to the dogs, like we're gonna be running late.
Yeah, so yeah, we don't have enough time to go to the dogs and then go and do everything else. So we're probably gonna have to save the dogs for either tomorrow
or later today.
We'll see. But I'm not really tripping because I was already looking online and stuff like that. Like the whole entire process of getting a dog, bro, it's really long, all the paperwork and stuff. So I'm not really too worried if we do or don't go see the dogs. It was just something that we could have done, you know. But there's a bunch of other stuff we can do in Chicago. It's a big city, so we'll see.
When we get there, we'll just update you guys and
maybe get something to eat. I don't know.
Yeah.
Because
I don't want to see pizza, bro. Like me siento empachada.
That deep dish pizza was like, I don't know. Maybe we didn't have like the right place.
Maybe because all the sauce was shifted onto
maybe because
the left side.
Maybe because all the sauce was shifted onto the left side.
We were just eating bread with cheese.
Yeah. ¿Qué pasó?
So basically we're aiming to wait. That was the closest parking ramp we could find. And the cheapest one too because the other ones were really expensive. Yeah. So either we have to walk to get to the boats. And what time is it? Like
it is 4:27.
So when we left our parking ramp back where we parked, it was like $80, bro. $80 for one night.
Yeah, it was $80. No, it was for 2 nights, bro.
Oh yeah, 2 nights. We're gonna have to do it online though.
Yeah, online would have been a little bit cheaper.
Like,
yeah, but we paid $80 for 2 nights, bro. That was insane.
That was expensive.
Yeah.
The she's pretty broke.
For real, bro. This place is gonna leave me extra broke.
Literally, I was looking at my bank account yesterday and I'm like, hopefully that PTO I put in comes in this one because what the heck?
We might go to the movies. Or 4D. We want to go to a 4D theater again. That was fun. We went to Tijuana. That was fire.
We don't have it in Minnesota anymore. Nope. I wish we did.
There we go. Yay, we got in. ¿Tienes frío?
A little bit, yeah. You?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, I feel like it's colder than the other days. Maybe because I'm wearing jeans, pero sí siento frío.
Yeah, we about to get on. Check out the view though. Crazy.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
Miss Lady got the same day.
Recording and then we'll start the tour.
We got our hot chocolate. Are you cold?
Very cool.
That's 1,454 feet or 443. Aqua is from 2009 by Jeannie Gang. No two of those balconies are exactly alike, and they actually shear the wind. That is, they help make the building aerodynamic. The hotel rooms go for $1,000 a night, so keep that in mind next time you visit. It was finished in 2020, and it is 1,200 feet or 365 meters tall. And we can call that Neo-Gothic Art Deco style. Now, the CME Group, as it's known today, is the largest commodities and derivatives exchange in the world by value of assets traded in it.
I want to meet your madre, pay my respects to...
We just got done with the tour.
Oh, it's so cold.
What'd you think?
It's nice, but it's too cold to be up there.
Yeah.
Like we had to go in. You went up, I went down, you went up. We couldn't even we were just going in circles.
I think I got frostbite on my toes, bro.
Really?
Yeah, like me duele. Look at my nose.
We just chilled in this car for a bit, tratando de warm up a little bit because we were really cold. And
yeah.
He did search up the address, but it was to the Willis Tower. I thought it was the same tower. I guess it's not.
Yeah, it's not the Willis Tower. It's a different tower. But we're on our way to the leaning tower and the observation deck. 360 Chicago.
I'm kind of scary. I'm kind of scary.
You're scary? Yeah, you're kind of scared.
Scared. 1, because it's high. 2, I get dizzy real quick. I get lightheaded real quick.
This is the tallest building I've been on. So we have to go to 94th floor. Wow.
Mi Caro, agárrate, no se vaya a caer.
This is literally taking so long.
My ears. Are yours?
Yeah, my ears are popping right now. Okay, bro, being on here is so crazy because it shakes like crazy. Being up here is a completely different experience. I'm literally telling you, this is the scariest thing I've ever done. I'm not scared of heights. I'm not scared of anything, bro. But this topped everything I've done. This was crazy. So we just went on the tower and everything. We got, look at these pictures, bro.
We look like that.
I'm posting this on my story right now.
I will. Don't tag me.
Last night in Chicago.
That's so sad.
I know.
I don't want to go back.
Me neither. We were waiting so long for this.
I feel like it went by so quick.
It did, yeah. It went by way too fast. Way too quick.
I would come back in summer.
I would come back too.
Right? So,
Guys, part 2. Let me know.
part 2 in the summer.
Pasamos por a crackhead. One more day y luego back to Minnesota, bro.
I don't want to work.
I don't want to work either.
We should just call off.
I think we should just quit, bro. Just stay here.
Yeah, I think we should just quit and stay here.
Yeah, just stay here.
We'll find a job, Aki. Okay, we'll see you guys when we get to the movie theater. It is 9:09 right now.
Just made it to the theater. I'm about to go inside. Bro, tell me why we have to pay for parking. Look at us.
Where are we going?
It's okay.
My hair's a mess. Like,
Your hair's a mess. Bro,
yeah.
my hair's a mess, bro. What? Alright, so we're in the movie theater.
I can't believe they're leaving.
Bro, this is just the trailers, bro. That was a good movie.
It was a good movie. I
That
felt
was-
like I was getting punched in the back.
Yeah, bro.
I was like,
That was a good movie.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this series. It took me a while to edit this, but we finally done. Thanks to everyone who has showed support and love. You guys the reason I'm so motivated. More travel vlogs to come. Canada might be next, but I don't know. You guys just gonna have to tune in to find out. New video will be out sometime this week.